Hello and good afternoon. This is Chad Rothrock here with Total Value RV in Elkhart, Indiana. We are the factory direct dealer for Thor Motor Coach. I'd like to take on a little tour today of this 2019 35.3 Miramar. This has a Crystal Springs full body paint. We're gonna have the Falcon Crest interior with the Newport solid hardwood cabinets. And I'm just gonna start right up here at the front, tell you a little bit about the Miramar product, and work my way to the back. It is equipped on a Ford chassis. That is the F53 Ford truck chassis, and that's going to have a 22,000 pound chassis on it. We do have polished aluminum 22.5-inch wheels, as well as the 235 series Michelin tires all the way around. Okay, this coach is going to have chrome heads to the mirrors here, as well as the chrome arms with blinker activated cameras built into those mirrors here. Really fast, just want to show them, we do have a rock guard up front for your Sikkens full body paint. Of course, you look at our new front ends. Got a beautiful, beautiful new look here. You can tell with the LED lights down low, fog lights down low, low beams, high beams, markers. This coach has a really sleek look to it. Of course, for anybody who likes to get into this compartment here, or this area, you get a chance to see just how much space you get in here to move around and work. Very easy to access everything that you would need to access up front. Okay, walk you around this way here. Show you what Thor does here at the front that you won't see in a lot of the competition. That is frameless windows here at the cockpit as well. All of your advantages, obviously, with the frameless windows, your seals are hidden. You don't have to worry about changing those seals every couple of years after the UV rays do their work with them. Notice you do have an armless awning on this vehicle. Good size awning, covers up the majority of the coach, and so you can enjoy your patio. You have a new 40-inch, one of the upgrades for 2019 models, which, by the way, this is again a brand new 2019. You're going to have a 40-inch television now with a sound bar. They've removed the exterior speakers and given you a sound bar for projection outside here. Take a look at all this storage that you get. Huge pass-through storage bays. Get a huge water tank, okay, 100-gallon fresh water tank. And new for 2019, we are running a Girard tankless hot water heating system as well. We do not have them illuminated yet, but we have the exterior awning. Let me turn the light on. Alright, so you have the awning light there. Again, this is a Sikkens full body paint. Beautiful, beautiful paint scheme that we've got here. We have rolled this paint over from 2018 models. Making this Crystal Springs. Down here we have a patented system. This is a pet link. That is the ability to hook your pet or your toys on up there. Keep those safe. Of course, you have another huge pass-through storage here. All rotocast line compartments Thor does, as well as slam latch baggage doors. Again, another pass-through storage. So everything that I've opened up, aside from our water compartment here, has been pass-through storage space so far. And then, of course, here you do have storage on either end. This is going to be, as you can see, your tanks. They balance out those tanks across the backside of the coach. For balance purposes, as you can see, weights and whatnot. Thor Motor Coach has very comparable weights at all four corners of their coach. So they're not just weighing a front axle, rear axle, they're weighing all four corners of that coach, of course. There was a ladder in here for your overhead bed, which we'll get to in just a second. I'm going to take you around the back side here. Look at the nice rear cap. They use a rear fuel fill there, and extremely I'd say the best docking lights available right now for your rear camera to see at nighttime. It's just a fantastic setup. Got no problem viewing the camera, or with what the camera's viewing because of those lights there. We do an 8,000 pound hitch on our Thor Challengers, as well as a 7-way connector here. Of course, you have your dump station here in the rear. course, you've got a really easy to use system. There is a black tank flush here. That does swivel, making it easier to hook your sewer hose up. Spot for your 50 amp cord, and place to plug that cord as well as your coax cable in. And that's the other end of that pass-through storage we were seeing from the opposite side. You will have a propane tank down low, but make no mistake about it, Thor is still giving you that full pass-through storage capability up top there. So, fantastic job there. Here you'll notice you have your tankless hot water heating system now. Frameless windows once again all the way around on this coach. Go ahead and show them what we've got going on here. The business end of the coach. Easy winterization features, black tank flush. You have a whole house water filtration system. This is for water and antifreeze. And of course, you have an outside shower. Definitely have spots to run those drains as well. Okay. I didn't mention over on the freshwater side, we actually have a mega dump as well. So that 1-inch gate valve will allow water to drain much more efficiently. That is running right now, folks. It's extremely quiet. It's insulated very well. But you have a 5,500 watt Onan quiet gas generator going on there. Here's the other ends of your pass-through storage. Okay. We'll talk about the fact you do have an inverter. You have a inverter with this coach. You're going to have a new conversion going on, so you can either do the 12-volt system, or we can go to 6-volt batteries now for the house system. So pretty neat conversion here. That's new for 2019. You have your hydraulic pump, which is very easily accessible, totally overrideable. And one thing I like about what Thor does with those hydraulic lines, they typically keep them well out of the way of debris from in terms of their placement. We're gonna make our way on inside now. Get another look at this beautiful front end. All right, we like to do our interior shot here with the slides in first, so our customers can get a first-hand perspective of what they're getting moving into and out of their new vehicle. Well, number one, these new interiors are just fantastic. Get a chance to see those. All right, so you get a chance to see we've got that new tilt-a-view bed that everybody's been going crazy about. We absolutely love this feature here. If you had to, you can actually make your way around that bed, make your way to that rear restroom, make your way to the closet, make your way to every single door and drawer in this coach because of this setup. So we've kind of revolutionized the engineering process now with this capability. Really neat. I'm going to go ahead and run the slides out for everyone. Hi there, welcome back. So we're here with some hot deals. It's a scorching day today out here on the lot, and I just wanted to show you something that one of our exclusives we love to talk about and point out in each one of our videos. But this vehicle here has 61 miles on it. It is just gotten here from the factory, brand new 2019 model once again. Just going to give you a quick look up here at the cockpit. You do have heated mirrors, which are controlled right here. Your top portion is electric, and it will control remotely from right here at the dash. I'm sorry, from the cockpit. You'll have your leveling system, which is going to be all hydraulic, both up and down. You have your emergency start switch, your fog lights, parking lights, low beams, high beams, of course your dash illumination. You're going to have a tow haul feature on a 6-speed transmission now. This is a 6.8 liter Triton V10, okay, with the 6-speed torque shift transmission. This is going to have an Xera huge 10-inch display. This 10-inch display is going to have the ability, obviously, to pick up your phone, and obviously we've got our phone here that looks like it's picked up, but you can basically use navigation from the screen here. There's going to be a ton of features. Also dimmability, dimming features here. Let's just go, I'll show them. You got navigation, radio, Bluetooth, rear camera. If your camera mode, you can actually leave in camera mode if you'd like to for extended periods of time, going down the highway, keeping an eye on your toad. Look at that camera view there. Again, your blinker activated cameras, left and right turn signals. Just go ahead and show you here down the right side of the coach. You can see that's a nice sharp image there. But again, you've got Bluetooth and navigation here. You will have the ability to plug in an HDMI port here and do dual mirroring capability with your screen. One of the upgrades that we've done here in 2019, along with the interiors and whatnot, is going to be this new press top cover here. This new system that we've got down here. You've got newer speakers up front. Of course, you've got a change here in the dash console or the cup holder section over the fiberglass doghouse here. Notice you don't have a step getting into the cockpit here. You've got an area that both of these chairs will swivel around, and we can set up for it with a nice table there for drinks. And of course, drop down bed here. This drop down bed, I'll show it for you really quick for anybody at home that hasn't seen that. By the way, folks, for 2019 we have gone to a Go Powered pre-wired solar system capability here, so you can actually go right ahead and wire in up to 3 more solar panels up top here on this vehicle. We have the charge controller already set up. As you notice on this setup here, you have a bed that's capable of sleeping two more adults up top here. Or if you've got kids my size, you can fit 4 of them like a little pack of mini hot dogs there. But you will have the ability to drop this bed here down, make a bed in case you have more people that want to sleep. Of course, these would just come on down, the bed would drop, and there's going to be some cushions that are going to go over the top of that. Again, you have this entire bed that makes up here, another bed that'll drop down here, 2 that sleep in the back, so 2, 4, 6, sleeping for 8 potentially in this model. In the exterior of the vehicle, they went to a 360-degree siphon vent cap as well for our black tanks. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second, but I want to go back to the Go Powered solar charging system. That system right there will just maintain your house batteries for you. It's fantastic to have, especially for the folks that like to get off the grid. But this particular vehicle is equipped with an additional system which is called an auto gen start feature. That auto gen start capability will allow these folks time to get out there and run off of their batteries out in the boonies, and once their coach is reaching a low voltage and they can set the desired voltage, the generator will fire up, fully charge your battery system, and then shut itself off for you. One of the neat features that we've gone to recently, and it's nice and cold already, is the residential refrigerators that you're getting in your gas motorhomes now. So you're getting diesel luxury, or what you're used to at home, in a gas motorhome at a very, very competitive price point. This one is also equipped with an ice maker, as you can see, adjustable shelving. In the interior, we've gone to some new features in our 2019 models. You can see we've gone to the better, before we had our plastic adjustable setup here. This is going to be a little bit better. It's a little bit more sturdy. Should withstand the test of time. Of course, you've got great storage down low. Just going to show the folks at home that would like to know just how deep all their doors and drawers are, just what they've got here. This is your filter for your whole house water filtration system that comes equipped with this vehicle. Okay. Nice space here. This is equipped with a convection microwave oven. Down low you'll have adjustable shelving, or a great big space there for large items like crock pots. Here you've got a great pantry with pull-out drawers down low. Fantastic size though. If you look, that's a really, can't even put my arm all the way back there. That's great. All this overhead space, get a chance to see just how much space you've got up there. Of course, they use hidden hinges in all of their cabinetry, and this is all solid hardwood all the way around here. LED lights throughout the entire coach. Another improvement for 2019 is the fact that we now have a Wi-Fi Ranger. So you get to a campground that has internet connectivity, all right, and they've got Wi-Fi for you. They get you to the spot that doesn't necessarily pick up that Wi-Fi signal. Well, now your chances of getting that Wi-Fi signal have improved drastically. So this is a very nice feature here. It's a standard feature with the motorhomes. Thru is one of those manufacturers that gives you very little options, and the advantage is resale value there. Okay, typically you're going to see about a 5 to 6% higher resale value with a product like this because of something like that. It's a big deal. Huge TV in the living room here. Of course, again, like I mentioned, we upgraded our TV size in the exterior to the 40-inch. Got a porcelain commode in here, and you'll notice they do a great job of giving you plenty of space for your goodies. So corner cabinetry typically allows a lot of hidden space that way. I'm just going to open up this space up here, Jeffrey, so they can see what they've got. Okay, plenty of hand towels and cleaning supplies. Do have a vent in here, and notice we do have no 4-inch gap at the top and bottom of the door. That's a fully functional door there, solid hardwood, by the way. And again, the reason behind that is we've got AC and heat both ducted into that bathroom here, even in the half bath. Moving up to the bed here, you have the independent lighting. You have the ability to go ahead and turn that lighting on independently if you'd like. And then, of course, we can drop this bed. This is that tilt-a-view bed we were talking about, making such a big deal about. If we don't want the dance floor in the bedroom, we take that away, and now you can dance on the bed. It's got a king-size bed back here. All right, and then you got, just go ahead and show you what kind of walk-through space we got. Okay. Huge shower back here. We'll open up and show the folks at home. Got the controls for your hot water heater here on the wall, and of course, tons of space behind these medicine cabinet doors. Corner cabinetry is just going to give you a nice amount of space for cleaning supplies again. You still have all the functional space in the world down here. Okay. Of course, you've got the porcelain commode, not up on a step, just nice and flat. Dividing doors here, pocket doors, again, that are solid hardwood. We use a Denver mattress. Rather than you would think, well, what kind of mattress can do that? This is not a bad mattress at all. And actually, I've had a lot of customers that were planning on upgrading the mattress change their mind once they get to the vehicle. You'll get a chance to see you have 110 and USB ports here for charging. And then, of course, you will have the slow rise shades with an egress window back here. Functional window as well, okay? A nice spring day, nice summer day, you can prop that window open and catch some nice air. Same thing with the cross-ventilating windows of the beds. Okay, get some nice air that way. I don't want to forget about the overhead storage that you get behind the television. Okay, we use some nice hinges up top there. 2 struts on the television. Nice space for storage. Here's your table. Wonder what size that is. Okay. Great space up here. Residential depth with your drawers. I'll just open these up for the folks at home so they can see just how large each one of these drawers was. Okay. This one you can equip with the washer and dryer if you'd like. Okay. A little space down low here. So what I'm showing you is Thor's kind of managed to give you storage or take advantage of every nook and cranny that they have, every square foot of this vehicle. Again, 2 ACs, of course. Each AC I've got them going right now because it's pretty warm out here. So I appreciate you bearing with us for another video. If you have any questions, my name is Chad Rothrock. You can reach us at 574-262-4460. My direct line is 951-262-4460. Or check us out at totalvaluerv.com. You can email me at chad@totalvaluerv.com, and I'll be your RV guy, okay? Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.